This is Raul. He will be teaching you all about the Wechselpräpositionen. The Wechselpräpositionen are prepositions that change the article of the noun depending on the case of the object, dative or accusative. If something is moving or in action, it takes the accusative case. If something is not moving or dead, it takes the dative case. Raul schläft auf dem Sofa. In this example, das Sofa is in dative case. Raul is not moving, and dative equals dead. So, das Sofa changes to dem Sofa. Raul liegt auf dem Boden. In this picture, der Boden is in dative case. Raul is not moving. Therefore, der Boden changes to dem Boden. Raul liegt neben dem Baum. Raul is one lazy cat. Der Baum is dem Baum in this case. Remember, dative equals dead. Raul geht an den Tisch spazieren. This example is accusative. Raul is moving, and action equals accusative case. Therefore, der Tisch changes to den Tisch.